plans of Azerbaijan to invest in Pakistan's economy up to $2 billion, which actually was announced by me during my state visit to Pakistan. So today, with my brother, we put, I think, very ambitious but at the same time realistic target to finalize all the discussions within 1 month.
Your Excellency, your visit to Pakistan last time took our brotherly relation to a different level and strengthened this cordial relations. And I am extremely grateful to you when you announced that Azerbaijan intends to invest $2 billion in Pakistan in ventures which are mutually beneficial. And I want to assure you, my very dear brother, President Ilham Aliyev, that I will not let you down, and I will try to meet your speed and commitment, if not more.